A Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year to all of us at Leading Forex or on Leading Forex YouTube channel. Kofi, once again here. I'm here to tell you how my year 2025 has been in terms of Forex trading. And I know most of you may have similar situation as mine. And also to let you know that we have 2026 ahead of us. Okay. In health-wise, God has been good to us with his protection and guidance. But in trading aspect, this year has been a bad year for me. Yes, that is the truth. I haven't been a profitable trader in this year. Yes. And the reason things have been that way, I'll tell you. But I need to say it as it is. I need to be truthful and say it as it is. The reason being that I am not one of these advertising traders who advertise and will want to always talk about wins and profits. There might be those who will make losses and will not even want to talk about it, but will still make it look like they are profitable traders. I want you to know that if you haven't been profitable this year, I have equally been in the same situation. Yeah, that is the truth. I have lost a lot of monies. Maybe it is not as much as what you might have lost. Maybe it's also more than what you might have lost. But in all, I want you to know that that is how trading can be. Trading can be sometimes very hard, and it is just like any other business. There are businesses, a whole lot of businesses that if they are to declare their profits, you will know or you will hear that most of them have been in a loss. Yeah, the financial year, most companies may be declaring losses rather than profit. And so if you are a Forex trader and this year has been a bad one for you, it doesn't mean that you should quit. It doesn't mean that it is not a good business for you. If the number of businesses in the world, if they should come out and tell you how their financial year 2025 has been, maybe you might even shut up. You may not want to talk about yours at all. So I want you to kind of motivate yourself and plan ahead of 2026. In a summary, I have lost about $9,000 in all for this year. $9,000. That is how much I've lost in this year. But I am still going to continue Forex trading because it is one of the businesses I have found to be very easy and very suitable for my kind of situation. Because I want the kind of business that I can do it anywhere in the world, that it can be part of me wherever I go, and have found Forex to be that kind of business. And so I have been doing this, and if this year has been bad, I am to capitalize on what I did wrong, to correct them, so that 2026 and beyond can turn back things for good. So if you have equally found yourself in such a situation as mine, then I would like us together to move and re-strategize and plan again. I am not going to always come here and tell you, oh, it's going well, why it is not going well. No. I need to be real. That is how trading is. I don't care how you may see it. If that is the reason you may decide that Coffee Dollar might not be helping, so go look for another. Fine, that is good, because we are all looking for success. So if you are not getting it here, you might get it somewhere, maybe, who knows? And you should also know that in business, sometimes it might not be win, 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 win throughout. There are some financial years that things may be bad, just as my situation in this year, 2025. So I am here to tell you and to encourage you. And that is also the reason why, if you have not seen me so actively as I used to be on my Telegram channels, it's because I wasn't ready to continue giving out setups that may not be good for you or may turn out to be losses, because I was equally making the losses. So I had to keep quiet and then do my background checks and find out where I'm doing it wrong, so that I can realign and do it right. So that has been my reason for being quiet on some of my Telegram channels. But I want to assure you, today is Sunday, 29th December, 2025. Tonight, the Forex market will open. And I want you to start looking at how we can re-strategize. I have done my homework and I'm ready for 2026. So if you are also ready, or if you still have some 1 week to do your homework, because today being 29th, you have maybe some 3 or 4 days to begin 2026. I want you to quickly do your homework and come along with me. On my Telegram channel, if you are not there, please, you can join. Just go to the description of my videos. Any of my videos, when you go to the description, you'll find a link to join my free Telegram channel. It's a free one. Let's start something again in 2026 together. And I know, in business, as you also know, we can turn things for good. And that is my hope, and that's my belief. And I know I can do it. So please, if you haven't seen me so busy on the YouTube channel, and you haven't also found me so busy on my Telegram channels, it's because I was doing my homework, because the year hasn't been a good one for me. I don't know how much you have also lost this year, or tell me your experience. If you have been profitable, share that with me. But be careful of scammers out there. Someone who may leave a message just to kind of persuade you or kind of entice you to his side or her side. Let's be careful on that. All right. But in all, I want to thank you for your patience here on this channel. And also, those of you on my Telegram channels, thank you very much. I believe strongly 2026 will be something good for us all. It is my hope and belief that, as I am saying, we will be able to deliver and do it right in 2026. So let me see you back to the trading table, and let's do it together in 2026. Thank you. I'll see you. I'll become more active here again on the YouTube channel and then also on my Telegram channels. I'll be very active. So I can't wait to see you there for us to do it together. Thank you very much and stay blessed.